and buds that belongs. I remember the time in the manger as you sleep. Whenever there are people giving kisses to you, I believe that Christmas is truly in our home. It's like a Christmas tree for a man tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are running bright. Let's Merry Christmas and a happy